versatility, and a spacious interior, with an even more dynamic silhouette. The unmistakable design exudes sportiness with its characteristic sloping rear and elegant lines. The second generation of the Q5 Sportback boasts a luggage capacity of up to 515 liters, or up to 470 liters in the Square 5 Sportback. When the rear row of seats is folded down, the storage space in the Q5 Sportback increases to up to 415 liters or 388 liters in the Square 5 Sportback. The Q5 Sportback has a towing capacity of up to 400 kilograms. Sporty design thanks to dynamic sloping roofline. The design of the new Audi Q5 Sportback is sleeker compared to its predecessor. The broad single frame is high and flanked by vertical, functional air curtains. The razor-sharp, sculptural headlights lend the car a honed look. A large air intake below the single frame houses the sensors. A dynamic rising line runs from above the rocker panel across the wheel arches to the rear bumper, giving the vehicle a dynamic appearance even when stationary. The horizontal shoulder line connecting the front and rear lights rises slightly above the rear lights to visually support the roof arch. With its flat rear window, the rear of the Q5 Sportback is visually stretched as far as possible, creating a roofline that slopes from the B-pillar. This enhances the classic proportions of an SUV, creating an even more dynamic profile in the stylish Sportback form. Optional roof rails add utility value to the dynamic lines of the roof. The elegant rear window graphics also help to visually stretch the cabin. With minimal lines, the rear has a crisp design. The smooth surface that flows from the rear window to the lower edge of the sculptural light strip is bordered by a sharp cut across the entire width of the vehicle. Below is an uncluttered, broad surface. A sporty, distinctive breakaway edge at the trunk lid completes the progressive design. The diffuser is integrated into the raised bumpers, creating an island effect. Below are the tailpipes, while the S model features the iconic twin round tailpipes in a new, sharpened design. Exterior Advanced comes as standard in the Q5 Sportback. The Q5 Sportback is available in two versions, Exterior Advanced and S-Line. In addition, the Audi Square 5 Sportback has its own distinctive exterior. Compared to the base version, the exterior of the advanced version features dynamic elements with stylish accents. For example, the radiator grille and the inlays in the front air intake come in scandium gray, with a contrasting bottom line in timbre gray. The diffuser is finished in a grained matte black, and the rear inlays are in selenite silver. 18-inch light alloy 5-arm twist wheels are included. The S-Line exterior and S model have larger front air intakes and a sportier rear diffuser. The single frame is surrounded by a chrome look frame in matte anthracite S-Line exterior and matte silver S model. Large O-wing shaped side arrow tubes accentuate the sporty ambitions of the Q5. On the S model, the single frame is further emphasized by vertical chrome look L-wing ornaments in matte silver. The chrome look rocker panel trim in matte anthracite on the S-Line exterior, and chrome look matte silver on the S model further contribute to the dynamic character. The window trim comes in an aluminum look as standard. The second generation digital old rear lights and the new projection light in the spoiler above the rear window enhance safety. The latter projects a graphic onto the top of the rear window, increasing the size of the brake light area, complementing the exterior. The interior design philosophy. The interior of the new Q5 Sportback is systematically tailored to the needs of the occupants and epitomizes the new Audi design philosophy. Material properties were considered at a very early stage in the design, and together with the Audi Mi panoramic display and the Mi passenger display, form a visually distinct digital stage. The high-contrast interior design purposefully places elements in the foreground or background, creating a three-dimensional spatial architecture that blends aesthetics with ergonomics. The interior has a markedly cozy ambience. The soft wrap extends from the doors through the entire cockpit to the center console, creating a homogeneous and welcoming sense of space. In addition to being user-focused, the interior is sustainable. Materials such as Cascade upholstery and Dynamica microfiber are primarily made from recycled polyester, demonstrating Audi is also committed to using resources sustainably and efficiently in the Q5 Sportback. State-of-the-art combustion model with MHEV, plus the new Audi Q5 Sportback is based on the premium platform combustion PPC, a platform architecture for conventionally powered vehicles with longitudinal combustion engines. It comes equipped at market launch with highly efficient MHEV Plus technology. The new 48-volt MHEV Plus electrical system supports the combustion engine, and reduces carbon emissions while increasing performance and driving comfort. The vehicle is also capable of limited all-electric maneuvering and parking. The new powertrain generator PTG generates additional torque of up to 230 nanometers and 18 kW 24 PS. What's more, the 48-volt electrical system enables the use of an electric air conditioning compressor. This ensures the AC continues operating at full power, maintaining a comfortable interior temperature even when the engine is switched off, such as when coasting or at a red light. The lithium-ion battery for vehicles with MHEV Plus is based on lithium ferrophosphate chemistry and boasts a storage capacity of 1.7 kWh. The primary function of the belt alternator starter bus is to start the engine and supply electrical power to the battery. The bus enables stretches of electric driving, relieves the combustion engine, and helps reduce consumption. During braking, the bus returns energy to the battery recuperation with up to 25 kW of power. In this way, the premium platform combustion enables partial electrification in the form of mild hybrids. Later in the Audi Q5 Sportback lifecycle, plug-in hybrids will be available with a large battery and external charger. In Europe, the Audi Q5 Sportback will be available with 3 engines at market launch, with further drive variants to follow. Initially, all versions come equipped with MHEV Plus technology, which briefly generates up to 18 kW 24 PS of additional power. All models in the series also use the S-tronic 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The entry-level engine is a 2.0 TFSI with 150 kW 204 PS and 340 nanometers of maximum torque and front-wheel drive. Optionally, Quattro all-wheel drive is available. With the 2.0 TDI, the Audi Q5 Sportback is available as Generation E28 Evo. It has an output of 150 kW 204 PS and 400 nanometers of torque and is only available with Quattro drive. As the top model in the series, the Audi Q5 Sportback will be available at launch. The V6C with 3 liters of displacement has an output of 270 kW 367 PS and a maximum torque of 550 nanometers. Market launch and prices: the new Q5 Sportback and SQ5 Sportback will be available to order from December 2024. Prices start at €54,800